Ever wondered what a microorganism is? They are the tiniest creatures that make up our world, dwelling in every nook and cranny. Invisible to the naked eye, these life forms are omnipresent, in incalculable numbers, shaping our existence. They are found in the air we breathe, in our food, and on our skin. Microorganisms are pivotal to the world we know, and their impact is monumental. A microorganism, or microbe as they're often called, is an organism minuscule to the point of being microscopic. This minute size necessitates the usage of a microscope, a specialized tool engineered to magnify small objects, to observe them. They're not just one type of life form, but a collection of several different types of life forms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, algae, and protozoa. Now, the growth of these microorganisms is influenced by several factors. Several elements dictate this growth, but water plays a vital role. It's not merely crucial, it's vital. Water is the lifeblood of these cells, facilitating the movement of valuable nutrients in. Plus, it also paves the way for waste excretion, maintaining a healthy cell environment. Water is essential for microbial growth as it allows nutrients to move in and waste to move out of the cell. But it's not just any water. The importance of water goes beyond hydration, extending to the complex world of food. For instance, in culinary science, water presence is monitored and managed meticulously. Its critical role can be understood through the principle of water activity. Water activity quantifies the portion of water in food that's usable by microorganisms. It's a measure of the water available in the food for microorganisms to use. Water content and water activity are not the same, though they are indeed interconnected. To understand this, imagine a product, any product. The water content simply refers to the overall amount of water present in the product. It's a quantitative measure, a tally of all water molecules it contains. On the other hand, water activity is a function of how available that water is for various biochemical reactions and proliferation of microbes. The term availability here pertains to the extent to which water can be used for these processes. It's like, water content is the total workforce, but water activity is the effective workforce ready for the job. It's not just about how much water is there, but how much of that water can actually work. Water activity measures how available that water is for reactions and microbial growth. For example, honey has a high water content, but a low water activity. Interestingly, this distinctive characteristic of honey is due to the unique way the water is integrated within its composition. In honey, water is tightly bound up with sugars, forming a complex structure. Hence, it's virtually inaccessible for microorganisms, preventing their growth. This unique property enables honey to naturally resist microbial growth, making it a safe and long-lasting food source. The water activity of food products is therefore critical in determining their safe storage timeframes. It's a significant factor influencing the longevity of food. The more the moisture, the higher the risk of bacterial growth. Thus, the water content should be regulated meticulously. For instance, wet grain needs to be stored carefully to prevent the growth of harmful microorganisms. This regulation prevents spoilage, ensuring longer shelf life and preserving nutritional value. Several factors influence water activity, including temperature, humidity, and the presence of solutes like salts or sugars. These factors play a crucial role in determining the water activity values. By understanding these factors, we can predict the potential for bacterial growth, which is a significant concern in food safety. It enables us to anticipate the shelf life as it directly ties to the quality and safety of food products. Knowing the water activity values can be useful in predicting microbial growth, shelf life, and safety of food products. Testing for water content and water activity is a crucial part of food safety. It's key in determining the quality and safety of food products, with techniques ranging from basic to advanced. Tools available for this range from elementary moisture meters to high-tech instruments that can directly gauge water activity. Their usage is essential in food production to ensure the safety of the consumers. Various tools and methods are available, from simple moisture meters to more sophisticated instruments that measure water activity directly.
In the realm of food safety, knowledge is power.
Understanding the dynamics of microbial growth can help food industry professionals implement effective strategies to control harmful microbes while harnessing the beneficial ones. It's a delicate balance, a dance between safety and flavor, health and enjoyment. To conclude, microbial growth in the food industry is both a boon and a bane. It's all about perspective. It can either create a symphony of flavors or a chorus of health hazards, depending on how it's managed. Today, we've journeyed through the microscopic world, unraveling the importance of understanding microbial growth in the food industry. We've seen how this knowledge can lead to the creation of delicious foods and beverages, as well as the prevention of foodborne illnesses. The key takeaway? Microbial growth is not inherently good or bad. It's all about how we manage it. Remember, the next time you take a bite of that tangy yogurt or sip that fermented drink, you're enjoying the fruits of microbial growth. But the next time you hear about a food recall due to bacterial contamination, that's the other side of the microbial coin. A fascinating world, isn't it? The unseen life on our plates, shaping our food experiences, one microbe at a time.